Good afternoon, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. As you guys can see, I have laid out the carpet of my car on the table here, and I have did my first round of vacuum. I try to clean as much as I can, and the reason why, because as you guys know that I have restored and changed the color of the seats, the PMD seats, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with this carpet here, because getting a new carpet is a no at this time. Why? Because of my brother. He's in a hospital and I need to buy some equipment within next week or so for him, so when he gets released he have the support to be able to walk again. So therefore, I've decided that I'm gonna change the color on this carpet. I'm gonna use my own carpet and change the color on it. And as you guys can see, this is how it is. And I actually, when I was taking it out, I actually cut these slits right here so I could take it out. Otherwise, I was not able to get it out of the center console. So you guys can see the bottom is here. I'm not sure how I can get rid of these gruesome rust spots where the seats used to be mounted. I've tried to break as much as metal off from it. There's a bit of it's still on there here that I will actually do, and same on this side here, as you can see. So I need to power wash this, and I need to make sure the carpet is clean before I can even think about applying a dye to it. So I need your help. I need some assistance here. I mean, I've just mentioned what I want to do, but I have no idea how can I do this, because I've never done carpets before. So if any of you guys out there who has washed, cleaned, and changed the color on their carpets, on their car carpets, please do let me know. I'm not sure how many guys have done this, but I'm sure there are guys who have done it. So I would really appreciate, and you know, uh, let's get this part rolling again. All right, guys, you take it easy. Let me know in the comments below, guys, and also if you guys are liking and enjoying my content and all these build videos, please don't forget to subscribe and like these videos on the YouTube, because it's because of you uh, guys who are watching that my channel is growing. And if you guys don't support me like that, my channel will not grow. So I really appreciate that. And every time somebody posts a like or a comment, I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, regardless of what the comment is. But it's really nice to see guys chiming in and helping each other out. And that's what all this is about, helping each other out, so we can build our cars. All right, guys, take it easy. Talk to you soon. Bye.